What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome back to Monster Motors. So first things first, apologies for my voice. I'm a bit stuffy, I'm just getting over a cold at the moment. So imagine surviving a year and a half of pandemic to then catch a cold in the summer. Well, I say the summer, we're in England, it's obviously raining and wet everywhere. So yeah, that's just classic England. But moving on to today's video, I don't know if my wife's car has been on the channel. I'm pretty sure it has been a couple of times, but in case you haven't, here it is on screen. So for the past 2.5, nearly 3 years, we've had the Tiguan R line. Been a great car, fantastic, but when we bought it, it wasn't the car she wanted. It was just what was practical at the time. So her birthday's coming up in the next few days. So I thought, you know what, sell the Tiguan and we'll buy her an actual dream car. So without further ado, here it is. So as you can see, we've got a full fat Golf R. Now I've always loved these cars. Obviously I had the S3, which is basically the same car, just the Audi version, and I do still miss that car, but this is what she wanted at the time. She's always been a massive fan of the Golf Rs. I mean, they just look great, they're fantastic cars, well capable and a good lot of fun. So basically how this came about, we've got the body shop by us that we use for everything, so shout out to Sam Harris. He got this in and he kept teasing me with it. I was like, oh no, I don't need a new car, got no space for another car and all that. And then sort of clicked in my head, I was like, hang on, we've got a Tiguan, we don't really need such a big car. So, and obviously with Charlotte wanting this car originally anyway, I was like, this is probably the perfect chance to do it. So it kind of just happened. So as you can tell, it's a 3-door, which I do prefer the look of the 3 doors. They just look nicer. I mean, 5 doors are still great, they're a lot more practical, but 3 doors are perfect. And yeah, so basically we've got a 2017 Golf R. It's not the facelift one, it's the one just before. I think it was 2017 when there was the crossover between this version and the facelifted version, the 7.5. And obviously around the back here we've got those quad tailpipes, which I am a massive fan of. So the car itself, if we go inside, excuse the mess because I've got all my camera stuff and whatnot there. It is a manual. I would have loved the DSG, but it wasn't sort of like it has to be DSG or nothing type thing. So we're like, screw it, we'll just get the manual. I mean, further down the line, if in like a year or two we get to a point where like, oh actually no, would have much preferred the automatic, then we can always just part exchange this and upgrade to an auto. It's really not the end of the world. But yeah, I just love the sort of driving area in these. They're just great. I love how everything's sort of tilted towards the driver and all drive focused. You've obviously got all the blue dials, which, if you know me and Charlotte, we're both massive fans of blue and purple, so that is great for us. Then at night time you get all like the lighting accents in there around the dash and all sorts. So you've got like the fake carbon finish there, which looks good. So yeah, today's video is mainly to introduce you guys to the new car. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Are you not a fan of the Golfs? Let me know down in the comments below. So in true me fashion, as it's Charlotte's birthday in I think a couple of days now, it's not staying this colour. So the main reason why we bought this as well was because we're not that fussed on the colour, because where I'm a rapper, I'm going to change the colour. So the next video is going to be me wrapping it and then sort of presenting it to Charlotte. So I think I'm gonna probably head off shortly now. I've got all the wrap stuff in the shop ready to go, so I'm gonna go wash the car. I won't film the whole sort of wrapping of the car. I'll probably just film bits of it, as there's so many videos out there of people wrapping cars and all sorts, so you don't need to see like someone else wrapping a Golf, for example. So I'll probably just do like a few panels just for the video, and that's probably about it. But yeah, really looking forward to this colour. I know it's been done on a few, but we don't really care. I let her pick the colour because I've always picked the colours, and yeah, I was like, you know what, finally this time I'll let you pick the colour that you want. So this is her choice, but she's still not seen the car wrapped, obviously, because it's not wrapped yet, but she won't see it until I present it to her. So hopefully we'll get a good reaction from her. Hopefully she loves it. So we're going for like a two-tone effect. So I say two-tone, the roof and mirrors are going to be a different colour, just to break it up a little bit. Trying something different, a new brand. Well, say new brand, they print on 3M, so it's still 3M vinyl, but it's going to be a different finish to normal. I want to try them out, see what it's all about, and yeah, hopefully it'll be pretty good. But what do you guys want to see us do with this car? Because I've been toying, do we leave it stock? I mean, I would want to go stage 1, but because it is a manual, I have heard of people saying that they need a clutch straight away if you get it done. So I'm a bit like, do I want to like do the clutch as well and all that, or do we just wait until we eventually get an automatic? But I don't know. Do we lower it? Do we put new wheels on it? Do like all that normal stuff? Because at the moment it's really practical. Like the wheels, I quite like them. They're like a nice design, not horrendous, but then again, they always look better with wheels anyway. And exhaust. Now I'm always a sucker for the exhaust, so if we just take a quick listen to it. So it's got the stock valved exhaust, and that was with the valves open, so it doesn't sound terrible, but also doesn't sound great. So what do you guys think? Shall we stick an exhaust on it? I've got my good friend Adam at Car Enhancements UK. He's really close with Scorpion, so do you want to see a Scorpion exhaust go on this? Let me know down in the comments below, because it sounds great inside the car, but then again I think because there's a lot of sound coming through the speakers, it's all sort of like that fake artificial sound. So yeah, let me know guys, and if you've got any other ideas as well that you want to see with this, then yeah, just do let me know. So one good thing about this one is, usually I tint the lights, but they're already quite dark, so like the red's not bright red, if you know what I mean. So I'm thinking actually just leave the lights as they are, but yeah, there's plenty of opportunities and time to go and sort this out. So yeah, hope you guys do like this new car. I'm so excited to have a quick car back on the channel again. So that gives us Golf R, the Clio 182 track car, which I need to finish up a couple of little bits and then finally book a track session. Still not got around to booking a track session because it seems that I've never got enough time, but I need to pull my finger out and book something. And obviously we've got the RS Turbo as well, so we've got plenty of cars for plenty of content to come. But yeah, let me know what your favourite car is out of those three as well. What car do you want to see more stuff with? So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this guys. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for keeping up with all the content that's to come, and especially the next video, which is going to be the wrap on this and then giving it to Charlotte. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.